Hello friends. So now I am going to start a course on geomatics for GATE 2022. It is a new course just now introduced by GATE organizing body KGP. Um, uh, Yet now there is a no notification related to syllabus, but due to quick start, I am going to introduce basics related to geomatics. So, what is geomatics? Geomatics course of study I am going to introduce here. It is just an introduction related to geomatics. So, I am not going to further related to geomatics, and then geomatics for GATE 2022 and geomatics problems further for GATE 2022. Uh, so what is geomatics? So according to the written thing here, geomatics is defined in the ISO TC 211 series of standard as the discipline concerned with the collection, distribution, storage, analysis, processing, presentation of geographic data or geographic information. Under another definition, it consists of products, services, and tools involved in the collection, integration, and management of geographic data. Uh, Geographic data related to sensor application data and more thing related to surveying and all this thing. I may cover it up in my further regular coursework. It includes geometric engineering and surveying engineering, as I said, and is related to geospatial science, also geospatial engineering and geospatial technology. Whenever I am going to or we are speaking like geospatial, so it tends to remote sensing. Basically, what where we are using sensor application data. Further, the other definition is just like second definition, what I said before. Sidewise, I am introduce 1, 2 as a reference point. So everybody know this. So geomatics consists of products, services, and tools involved in the collection, integration, and management of geographic data. Geographic information can be retrieved from various sources, including Earth orbiting satellites, as I said before, ground based instruments, and airborne and seaborne sensors. They actually, what is sensor? So, in a quick word, sensor is just like eye view. It is in both class, active and passive. I may cover it up in my next lecture, in a systematic way. So further, these data are transformed into digital maps, and so the maps is a result basically, and other usable forms with state of the art information technology. Obviously, when we may proceed further, we may learn point wise everything further. So geometric course of study. Actually, GATE organizing committee KGP 2022 doesn't explore till now, doesn't give any information related to geometric course of study. So I have taken this geometric course of study from ISM, and I refer all these things in my reference and bibliography slides. So geometric course of study. What is geometric course of study here? Actually, geometric course of study. I am going to give point by point information regarding geometric course of study. So it is mine surveying. So includes method, instrumentation, land acquisitions, preparations of plans, sections, and etc. Abstract everything. Computerized and manual as per statutory requirements, documentation of lands holding, study of land use pattern, land cover in an area. So basically it is land use, land cover area workout. Change in land use pattern due to mining activities. So it is related to change detection method. I may cover it up in my next lecture. Measurement of stockpile, calculation of OB removed, coal extraction etc. So these are related to exploration point of view. Further, digitization of old map, remote sensing and GIS tools and techniques, preparation of computer aided plan and section including GIS based maps, preparation of mine information system using GIS, application of information technology in mine surveying, photogrammetry and remote sensing. So this is basically having parts remote sensing, GIS, tools and techniques, then image processing, photogrammetry, cartography and mine surveying. Now, as I said, GATE 2022 committee doesn't explore about the coursework related to geomatics. So, till they may not uh, publish, we may study like basics of all these things. So, basically, I may start from my next lecture, remote sensing, basics of remote sensing. And I may cover it sidewise, some objective questions, and yet to possible I may cover it up problems related to GATE 2022. So next slide. It is a just reference and bibliography. What the first bibliography or reference is ISO TR 19122 2004 in Geographic Information Geomatics, and then Applied Geomatic Research Laboratory. It is University of Waterloo, and course voucher MTech Geomatics, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. So with this, I am going to conclude my today's basic and coursework related to um, geomatics. And again, if there may be a requirement related to geomatics and all the related inquiry, please comment below, and upgradation point of view, please comment also. So with this, I am going to conclude my today's lecture. Further, I may come up with remote sensing basics with my first lecture. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching me. Thank you so much.